Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. Forms are incredibly useful for collecting structured data, whether you're gathering client information, managing event registrations, or running surveys. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to create your form, as this will determine which tables and data you have access to. After logging in, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find the main navigation bar. Look for and click on the option labeled Forms. This will take you to the Forms section of Airtable where you can manage all your existing forms or create new ones. Now you'll see several options for building your form. Airtable gives you 3 choices here. Try building with AI, build it yourself, or use templates. Each method has its advantages depending on your needs and familiarity with the platform. For this tutorial, we're going to click on Build It Yourself. This gives you full control over every aspect of your form from the ground up. Next, you'll need to select which table your form will be connected to. In the Table field, choose the appropriate table from your workspace. This is important because the form will use the fields from this table to collect responses. Then, in the Form Name field, type in a descriptive name for your form. Once you've entered both pieces of information, click the Create Form button to proceed. Airtable will now generate your form and display it on the screen. At this stage, you have the opportunity to personalize the visual appearance of your form. You can add a cover image to make it more visually appealing and also upload a logo if you want to maintain brand consistency. These visual elements help make your form look professional and trustworthy. Below the visual elements, you can change the name of your form if you'd like to refine it further. You also have the option to add a description, which can provide context or instructions to people filling out your form. This is especially helpful if your form requires specific types of information or has any special requirements. Now let's move to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Settings panel. Click on Fields to access the area where you can edit the individual fields in your form. This is where you customize what information you're actually collecting from respondents. To edit any field, simply click the 3 dots next to the field name and select Edit. This opens up the field editor where you can make several adjustments. You can change the field name to something more user-friendly or descriptive. You can also modify the field type to match the kind of data you need, whether that's text, numbers, dates, multiple choice, or other options. If you want to provide additional guidance, you can add a description to the field as well. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save. Back in the Settings area, you'll find Appearance options. Here you can enable Show Airtable branding if you want to display Airtable's logo on your form, and you can toggle Show Background Color to add some visual interest to your form. Additionally, there are important functional settings you can enable. The See Who Submitted a Response option allows you to track which specific users completed your form, and the Accepting Submissions toggle controls whether your form is currently live and accepting new responses or closed. Under the Message section, you'll see a field that you can click to customize the confirmation message that appears after someone submits your form. This is a great opportunity to thank respondents or provide next steps. Once you've customized everything to your liking and you're happy with how your form looks and functions, simply click the Publish button in the upper right corner. Your form is now live and ready to collect responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.